Hi, it's me, Fake Beth. I'm handling this video today while Real Beth is removing lint from the dryer and probably rethinking all her life choices. So, let's get started. All right, so let's talk about where intentionality really begins. This first step is called the laundry list, and it's exactly what it sounds like. A big, messy, loud, honest inventory of everything you're responsible for as a teacher. All of it. Yep. So write it all down. Every expectation, duty, and task, big or small. Why start here? Because you can't be intentional with your time, your energy, or your priorities until you actually know what you're dealing with. Morning duty, emails, data tracking, fire drills, calling parents, managing behavior. If it shows up in your brain or your inbox, it goes on the list. If you need help getting started, go to renovatingschools.com/impact. There's a worksheet to guide you through key areas like student safety, mental health, classroom behavior, communication, instruction, logistics, and the catch-all we lovingly call everything else. The link's in the comments too. And don't worry, you're not committing to do all of it. This isn't a to-do list. Think of it more like dumping out the junk drawer. You can't sort what you can't see. Some things will go. Some things you'll prioritize. But first, we name it. So grab a notebook or print out the worksheet and get started. Take your time. Be honest, be thorough, and remember, this is your first real act of intentionality. You got this. So, how'd you do this time? Strong open, good pacing, only one minor existential crisis. One is pretty good, actually. I almost went off on a tangent about color-coded calendars, but I reeled it in.
I'm proud of you. Did you remember the call to action?
Obviously, I said, smash that like button.
No, you didn't.
Well, I thought about it, then I just whispered it softly to myself.
Can we try again?
Fine. Hey, if this helps you at all, like, subscribe, and share it with that one teacher who always asks too many questions in faculty meetings.
You're just full of transparency today, aren't ya?
See you next time.